Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate an AT&T prepaid SIM card. Tap here to purchase a prepaid plan. Continue to checkout. Insert the SIM card where we ship to you into your unlocked device. Turn on your device. It may take a few minutes for your initial plan payment to process. You should receive a confirmation text, then you will be ready to go. If your device uses a physical SIM card, insert the SIM card into your phone. Turn it on. It may take a few minutes for your initial plan payment to process. You should receive a confirmation text. Then you'll be ready to go. Turn your device on. Scan the QR code from the eSIM activation we ship to you and follow the prompts. Having issues activating your eSIM? Click here and scroll down to the instructions for your device. Restart your device. It may take a few minutes for your initial plan payment to process. You should receive a text confirmation. Then you'll be ready to go. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.